So we've built up quite an extensive library of online resources over the past year or so, and we've always had a good response to those as they're released. But we felt we could offer machine builders and OEMs a little bit more, a more convenient way to access and keep the resources they need when they need them. And that's the idea by which the Resource Centre was designed and built. It's an online hub of guides, case studies, collected stories and video content.
An increasing number of OEMs are choosing strategic outsourcing as part of their overall production and supply chain strategy, which is allowing them to invest and focus on their core activities and delegate out non-core processes.
The element of convenience is in the way it functions. Think of it as an online shopping basket, only there's no checkout or sign-up wall. Once you've decided which resources to add to your basket, you can instantly download them as a single zipped file. So your own resource pack, basically. We put serious emphasis on building trust, so this freedom of access and letting that also be discreet is quite deliberate. Since its launch, the Resource Centre has become an ideal starting point for those considering an outsourcing partnership, because it covers every aspect from early decision making to the complexities of territorial legislation. And its launch was also quite timely, actually. Since the pandemic, a combination of reshoring opportunities and an increasing number of high-tech businesses bringing new innovations to market has contributed to our success, and we recognise a need for convenient access to resources to help these businesses, to help them make informed decisions, but faster. The Resource Centre, I believe, certainly does that.